Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM in your brand new iPhone SE 3rd generation iPhone. Once you open up your phone box, this is the first thing you should do, insert a SIM card. To insert a SIM card, you'll need a SIM eject tool. This tool comes with your iPhone, so have a check in your iPhone box. It will be with the documents envelope. This looks like a paperclip, but with a point at one side. If you have lost it or you threw away your box, then don't worry, you can do the same job with a paperclip, but make sure it is a thin one. Now on your iPhone, locate your SIM tray, which will be on the right hand side. You'll see this small hole. You need to insert the pointy side of the SIM eject tool into that hole. If you're using a paperclip and it does not go in, then stop right there, as you could do further damage to the iPhone SE. Now, using the SIM eject tool, press hard and you should see your SIM tray eject out. Once the tray is out, stop pressing it. Now, using your fingers, pull it out so you can insert your SIM card. In this tray, you can place your nano SIM from your mobile service provider. Make sure to follow the indentation on the tray so you're installing the SIM in the right way. Now, once that is done, you can insert the tray into the iPhone. Make sure to match the holes. If the holes don't match, then you'll need to remove it and change the side of the tray. Once the SIM is in, you'll start to configure and make all the necessary communications with your mobile service provider. Once it is set up, you'll see your 4G or 5G symbol at the top right of your iPhone screen. Once you see this means the SIM has been successfully installed and your iPhone is ready to make calls, receive calls, browse internet, and receive or send text messages without any Wi-Fi. And that is how to insert a SIM card in your brand new iPhone SE 3rd generation iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.